All right, tonight we have more on that staggering settlement between the Department of Justice and the sexual abuse victims of Dr. Larry Nassar, the disgraced former team doctor for USA Gymnastics. Nassar's perversions and predations are widely known now. What's less known is the obscene nonchalance with which the FBI reacted when the initial allegations of Nassar's sexual abuse were made. This week, the Department of Justice settled claims of 139 victims, acknowledging the FBI failed to conduct an adequate investigation into Nassar's conduct, despite the many allegations they received of his wrongdoing. This was not a one-time thing or a passing phase. The DOJ says for decades, Nassar abused his position, betraying the trust of those under his care and medical supervision while skirting accountability. The DOJ has acknowledged that these allegations of wrongdoing should have been taken seriously from the outset. The long list of athletes and patients who reported abuse by Nassar include Olympic gymnast Simone Biles, Aly Raisman, Michaela Maroney, and elite gymnast Maggie Nichols, who says her Olympic dreams were crushed after she reported Nassar in 2015. Nassar was finally arrested in 2016, a year later, and he's now behind bars in prison until the year 2068. The settlement from the DOJ comes nearly 3 years after 4 brave gymnasts, Maroney, Biles, Nichols, and Raisman, all testified before Congress about the FBI's shocking mishandling of their allegations against Nassar.
I blame Larry Nassar, and I also blame an entire system that enabled and perpetrated his abuse.
Why are public servants whose job is to protect getting away with this? This is not justice. Enough is enough.
Those young women were representing the United States of America on a world stage, and the FBI agents ignored them. The DOJ acknowledges the settlements won't undo the harm that Nassar inflicted on them and so many others, but they do say hopefully the money will provide some sort of critical support needed to heal. Joining us now is former competitive gymnast Sarah Klein, who is now an attorney and advocate for sexual abuse victims. She is also the first known victim of abuse by Dr. Nassar. Sarah, great to have you back on the show. I just want to get your reaction to this settlement, this vindication, this admission by the very people who were supposed to protect you that they failed you. Is this enough?
Yeah, you know what I would say? It's a very mixed reaction. I would say on one hand, there's a profound sense of relief. Elizabeth, this has been going on for 8 years in terms of litigation, and we have had to tell our stories hundreds of times, which has been tremendously emotional, arduous, and one that felt like we were at a constant war. So on one hand, we're happy that it's over and we're grateful for legal closure. But on the other hand, there's a real sense of, I would call it profound sadness in what will be remembered, in my opinion, as one of the darkest eras in the history of sport.
Yeah, the abuse. Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.